Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how Copilot can help you build a form in Microsoft Form within minutes. You can also clean up questions in your existing forms and even provide some insights into the responses that you're getting. So this means you can spend less time fiddling with those questions and more time acting on those answers. Right? So let's get into it. I'm going to create a new form from scratch. And with Copilot's help, I'm going to have it draft the form for me. So in my line of work, this kind of forum would be great if I could do a survey of people's readiness and their actual training needs for a product like Microsoft Teams. So let's see what Copilot can give us for this form with me just telling it this simple title. So I'm just going to click on the send button here. And it's building this form in front of my eyes. So after reviewing the questions, I can click on keep it. And then I can certainly change any of these questions by clicking on them and then actually deleting any of the items I don't want or just further editing some of the points. Once I'm clicked on a question, I also have I also see the Copilot button right on that question. So I can click on that button and this button is going to let me rewrite the question. So let's see what this does. So it gives me a prompt box here and it wants me to describe what kind of changes I want to make with this question. So let's just tell it to make it a little bit friendlier. Let's see what it comes up with. So I'll choose generate. So here's the new question that it's come up with. So rather than how familiar are you, how comfortable do you feel using Microsoft Teams? So if we decide, you know what, I like this kind of question better than this one, then I can choose to replace. Let me do that. And as I hover around any of these questions, you see the Copilot button is following me and giving me that option to rewrite. Now going to the bottom of our form, we do have the option of adding more questions and actually just adding more questions with the help of Copilot. So let's see what Copilot can give us for additional questions here. Now, rather than choosing generate this time, let's try the inspire me option to see what that's going to do for us. So rather than telling Copilot what extra questions I wanted, I said, you know what, why don't you inspire me with your thoughts on this? I'm not going to give you any prompts. You just come up with some of your own ideas. And this is what we have. We have a couple more questions on the topic of Teams, and we can choose again to keep these questions. Okay, so not a bad start to a survey or a form for us using Copilot. Now let's take a look at an existing form and see what Copilot's doing for us there in terms of helping us improve that form or find out those insights. Now I've gone to an existing form in Microsoft Forms, a form that has about 159 responses so far. And I've waited a moment or two when I moved to this form for Copilot to analyze it a bit. And when it analyzed the form for me at the top, it's saying it has some suggestions for me. So let me click on those suggestions and show you what it's telling me. So it's suggesting that I update my title and description for clarity and engagement. It's asking me to refine some of my questions, maybe for more neutral language, and also suggesting I have more open-ended questions for richer insights. And a few other details, including the theme that it's suggesting that maybe I should change. So let's try change a couple of these things and see what it does for us. My title is just, do you need Microsoft Teams? So let's go back here. And if I say update form title and description for clarity and engagement, here's what we get. Okay, not bad. So you see what it crossed off in terms of do you need Microsoft Teams? So we can say apply, and now we have a new title. So I'm going to go back up to the suggestions at the top, and I could pick any one of these if I wish to, but let's just move to the theme idea and see what it provides for us there. So update theme. And so it's just showing me some ideas of themes that might be more relevant to the survey that I have in front of me. So I could pick one of these themes and choose to keep it or choose to discard it. I'm going to leave the theme the way it is. But this is kind of interesting that it is giving us some insight. Now it also has a regenerate button at the very bottom where I could say, give me more ideas. So it's analyzing my form again. Now, one of the suggestions it's giving me here is enable submission receipt for respondents. So let's try that, or let's actually just find out what it means by that. I'm going to go to view details, and it's kind of giving me more detail on what this means. I kind of like this idea, so I'm just going to click on reply, and it should have done that now. So now it's done that. So it's saying it's been applied. Now, another exciting thing about the Copilot and Microsoft Forms is its ability to read your results with you or for you and give you some insights. So let's take a look at that now. I'm going to click on View Responses. And what I want you to see is here's the actual form and kind of the responses that I have. And so I'm seeing the insights from Copilot on the right side of my form when I'm viewing the submissions. I can choose to regenerate these insights. So I'm getting 3 different points right now. Let's choose Regenerate. And once regenerate is done, I have a few more insights showing to me here as well. And of course, I can copy and paste these insights into a document and keep it or share it with other people so that others know what's going on with this particular form. But Copilot's doing a great job for me here. It's helping me create the form. It's giving me suggestions on created forms, and it's giving me insights from the answers I receive on these forms. So take a look at this and improve your forms for the future. Thanks.